Hi, my name is Kelly, and this is a Patron tutorial to show you, the user of the public-facing catalog, how to report a problem with the OPAC to your library. Now, I am on an example OPAC public catalog website. Yours may look a little different, but overall, the most important part is to remember is that you are able to alert your library of a problem with the website using a link found at the bottom, and it's called Report a Problem. To be able to report a problem, so an issue with the OPAC, you would need to be logged in. So let's go ahead and log into our account. This Report a Problem option will be available on any page that you go to. So here I am on my account summary. If I were to go to the library page, I can see Report a Problem. If I were to do a search, this is going to live at the bottom of the pages regardless of where I go. So once I click Report a Problem, from wherever I am, you can see that the portion of the URL will be sent back to the library so they know where the problem happened. You can add a subject. You can add a message. This is a really great feature, so you can let them know right away that there's an issue with the public catalog. Now, I do have a drop-down menu. Your libraries may choose not to have a drop-down, but there is an option here to send a problem either to the librarian or the Koha administrator. Once you have filled out the Report a Problem form, you can go ahead and submit it, and now that has been sent to the library. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you use your public catalog.